The EMA 50 generally is right now at $0.001 in an essentially significant manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, for the most part is very critical. SPEL United States dollar sort of is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009609, or so they really thought. Bears control SPEL's ongoing cost activities, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. 30 November 2023, in this video we will walk you through by and large SPEL truly token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is genuinely transient cost expectation for generally SPEL token, especially is by and large SPEL a genuinely wise speculation, which for the most part is very huge. SPEL especially token help and opposition levels and so forth, or so they especially thought. Yet, prior to plunging certainly profound into the SPEL specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the really current economic situations, which basically is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,422,755,320,117, showing how SPEL United States dollar in every practical sense is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009609, or so they explicitly thought. The extremely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $43,447,319,572, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that SPEL United States dollar especially is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009609, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the SPEL specialized examination, explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the essentially current economic situations in a very significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.56 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, especially further appearance how the EMA 50 really is presently at $0.001, which sort of is very critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market really is going in an exceptionally descending heading for especially momentary in a kind of enormous manner. As of now, an extremely broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions really demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a sort of descending heading for especially present moment, which especially is very critical. SPEL especially token help and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, especially let us sort of discuss the kind of current economic situations. Which generally is very huge. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become essentially more by and large dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that as of now, a truly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Exhibiting how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an exceptionally descending heading for sort of present moment, which in a real sense is very huge. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move extremely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly is genuinely critical. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of for the most part spell essentially token, spell, especially spell exceptionally token execution. The cost of in a real sense spell pretty token, spell, truly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, exhibiting that similarly. Obstruction really is a level at which dealers especially become move pretty dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, which especially shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. There in a real sense are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, which fundamentally shows that really spell commonly token help and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Exhibiting how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the spell specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the for the most part current economic situations in every way that really matters in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell truly token value investigation by and large spell cost examination for 30 November 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time span essentially made sense of beneath, exhibiting that market investigation over the especially last 24 hours there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,422,755,320,117. Showing how spell United States dollar fundamentally is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.009609, or so they all things considered thought. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to fundamentally examine the future development of the spell token. Showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $43,447,319,572, or so they basically thought. While spells will